To manage the Bill.com API SDK, start by understanding the basics of the API and its capabilities. The Bill.com API allows developers to integrate their applications with the Bill.com platform, enabling features such as payment processing, invoicing, and document management. First, register for a Bill.com developer account to obtain an API key and secret, which are required for authentication. Then, choose the programming language for your application and install the corresponding SDK. Next, set up authentication using the API key and secret. This involves generating an access token that is used to authenticate API requests. The access token is typically obtained through the authentication endpoint and is valid for a limited time. After authenticating, you can start making API requests to perform various actions such as creating invoices, processing payments, and retrieving documents. The API provides endpoints for different operations, and you need to construct the request URL, headers, and body according to the API documentation. Error handling is also crucial when working with the Bill.com API. Be sure to catch and handle exceptions properly, and log errors for debugging purposes. Additionally, implement retries for failed requests and validate user input to prevent errors. Best practices for managing the Bill.com API SDK include following the official documentation, testing thoroughly, and optimizing performance. Regularly review the API changelog to stay updated on new features and deprecations. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively manage the Bill.com API SDK and build robust integrations with the Bill.com platform. This enables you to automate financial workflows, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall user experience.